Hello everyone, this is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today video I will introduce you about our hair bundles. And our company major product is bundles, wigs, and closure frontals. I have introduced you about our frontal and closures in previous video, and today I will introduce you about our bundle. And as you see, this is a new bundle just take out from the package without any processing. It's not processed yet. And our hair bundle we only have virgin hair, raw virgin hair bundle, and remy hair bundle. We don't have non-remy hair bundle because non-remy hair bundle that will be tangling or shedding issue, and the quality is good. Remy hair and the virgin hair, the quality is really good, so you don't have to worry about the tangling issue. And all of our bundle are double wefted, so there's no shedding issue as well. And majorly we have 4 grade of hairs, and we have 4 grade of hairs, and you can choose accordingly. And different grade of hairs are different price, and their fullness are different. And this is a single drawn product, and we also have double drawn bundles as well, so you can choose if you like. And today we have some samples here, and we will introduce you more samples and shoot more videos in the future, and we'll let you know more about our bundles products. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like my video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.